All right, guys, today we are going to be working on an iPhone 6s Plus screen repair here at M Wireless ATL. As you can see, our customer dropped this phone, cracked it. Now he's bringing it to us so we can take care of it. I'm gonna be showing you the process of this iPhone 6s Plus screen repair. All right, so here we have the iPhone screen lifted from the frame. As you can see, one of the things we wanna do is disconnect the battery. So we completely cut off all the power from the motherboard. Now we're removing the plate. We've already removed the plate there. What we're gonna do is start taking off the connections. These are the connectors that go for your ear speaker, your front-facing camera, and also your touch and LCD. We start taking off all the plates on the actual LCD itself, where your home button is connected, your fingerprints and everything. We used a plastic pry tool to do this so it doesn't damage any of your connections. I'll get back with you guys once we're installing the new screen. All right, as you can see there, that's the old screen there to the left. The new screen is what we're working on right now. We're placing everything back in. Right now we're placing the ear speaker flex. This is what controls your front-facing camera, your loudspeaker microphone. We're gonna put all these components back into the new LCD. Then we'll go ahead and install it back into the frame, and we're going to be complete. All right, we now have the new screen connected to the motherboard. What we do now is, before we go ahead and put everything back together, we start testing, making sure that it is touching correctly, that it's responsive, that everything is working on the customer's device. This iPhone screen repair, it is now complete. As you can see, it is nicely flushed and installed. Customer is going to be super excited, super happy that we're able to get him back on track. Come check us out, M Wireless ATL. Get your iPhone screen repair or any other smartphone, tablet, or iPad.